The search for extraterrestrial life has been one of humanity's most enduring and captivating quests. From ancient civilizations speculating about the existence of other worlds, to modern scientists using cutting-edge technology to search for signs of life beyond our planet, the search for extraterrestrial life has a rich and fascinating history. But where exactly are we now in this search? And more importantly, are we any closer to finding out if we're alone in the universe? One of the most exciting developments in recent years has been the discovery of thousands of exoplanets. These are planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system, and many of them have been found to be located in the habitable zone of their star. This is the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist, and as we all know, where there's water, there's a chance for life. In fact, some exoplanets have been found that are so similar to Earth in terms of size and temperature, it's almost like they were made to order for us. But just because a planet is in the habitable zone, doesn't mean it's teeming with life. That's where the study of microbial life comes in. Microbes are the simplest form of life, and they've been found in some of the most inhospitable places on Earth. From boiling acid pools to freezing ice sheets, these little guys know how to survive. And by studying how they do it, scientists are learning more about what conditions are needed for life to exist. This knowledge is then used to search for potential biosignatures, indicators of life on other celestial bodies. Of course, one of the most exciting ways to search for extraterrestrial life is to listen for radio signals. The SCTI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence Institute, has been listening for radio signals from extraterrestrial civilizations for decades, and recent advancements in technology have allowed for more sensitive searches. Imagine if we could pick up a signal from an alien civilization, sending us a message from a distant star. It would be like receiving an intergalactic text message. It would be a moment that would change humanity forever. But we don't have to look too far from home to find potential signs of life. Our own solar system is full of places that could harbor life. Mars, for example, is considered one of the most likely places to find evidence of past or present life. The rover Perseverance is currently exploring the Jezero crater, looking for signs of ancient microbial life. And the rover Curiosity is studying the planet's geology and atmosphere to see if there are any biosignatures that could be hiding in plain sight. And let's not forget the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is thought to have a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. And Saturn's moon Titan has lakes and rivers of liquid methane, which could be home to some form of life. The Europa Clipper and Dragonfly missions are set to explore these moons in search of signs of life. It's like we're sending a team of interplanetary lifeguards to check if there's anyone swimming in those subsurface oceans. So, are we any closer to finding out if we're alone in the universe? The answer is a resounding maybe. We've made huge strides in recent years in the search for extraterrestrial life, but we're not quite there yet. But the future is looking bright, and with the advancements in technology and scientific understanding, we may be closer than ever to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be sending a postcard to our new alien friends, telling them about our adventures on Earth. One thing is for sure, the search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding little green men or intelligent civilizations. It's about understanding the possibilities and limits of life in the universe and how it relates to our own existence. It's about expanding our knowledge and understanding of the universe and our place in it. It's about discovering new worlds and new forms of life that we never even knew existed. But the search for extraterrestrial life is also about exploring the unknown and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. It's about the thrill of discovery and the excitement of what we might find next. It's about the joy of exploring the vastness of space and the wonder of what might be out there. The search for extraterrestrial life is an exciting and intriguing endeavor, but it's important to consider the potential risks as well. But while the likelihood of finding a civilization that poses a direct threat to Earth or humanity is considered to be low, there are still some concerns worth discussing. One concern is the possibility of the discovery of microbial life that could potentially be harmful to humans. If microbial life is found on another celestial body, it would be important to take precautions to prevent contamination and the spread of potentially dangerous organisms. Scientists have established protocols for handling samples from other planets in order to minimize the risks of contamination, but it is still a concern. Another concern is the possibility of a hostile response from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. Some scientists have proposed that any civilization capable of interstellar travel would likely have reached a level of technological advancement that would make them a potential threat to humanity. But while the likelihood of this happening is considered to be low, it is still a concern. There's also the issue of what happens if we find extraterrestrial life, and it's not as advanced as us, or if it's extinct. It could change our perspective on our own existence and our place in the universe. It could also lead to moral or ethical dilemmas if we were to encounter intelligent alien life forms. It is important to consider the potential risks associated with the search for extraterrestrial life, but it is also important to note that these risks are considered to be low. The benefits of the search for extraterrestrial life, such as expanding our understanding of the universe and our place in it, are considered to outweigh the potential risks. It's important to continue the search for extraterrestrial life with caution and to be prepared for the possibility of any outcome. So, let's continue this journey together. Let's keep looking up at the stars and wondering what might be out there. Let's keep listening for radio signals and searching for biosignatures. Let's keep exploring our solar system and studying exoplanets. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey that is worth taking, and one that we will continue to take for many years to come. In the end, whether we find life on other worlds or not, the search for extraterrestrial life will have enriched our understanding of the universe and ourselves in ways we can't even imagine yet. It's a quest that reminds us that there is still so much out there to discover, and that the universe is an endlessly fascinating and mysterious place. So let's keep searching, let's keep exploring, and let's keep dreaming of what might be out there. Who knows, we might just be surprised by what we find.